everyone, welcome to Keeping Up with Linda. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that's been in the family for a long time. It's another one of my daughter's requests. She remembers this recipe from her childhood, and today I'm going to make it. I'm going to share with you. It is no-bake, 5-ingredient recipe. It's really easy, it's fresh, it's fast, it's fun to make, and it's a fantastic dessert that everyone will enjoy. Let's get started. So only 5 ingredients, and they are milk, whipping cream, salted crackers, 1 package of vanilla instant pudding, and for the topping, 1 can of cherry pie filling. You can use something else. You can use blueberries, you can use strawberries, depending on what you like. We happen to like cherries. We're gonna need a regular size Pyrex, 1 cup, a whisk, 2 bowls, and a hand mixer. You may not have one of these, a 30-year-old one, but a newer one will work as well. Hand mixer or stand mixer. So let's get started by preparing our pudding. So the instructions say to use 2 cups of milk. However, a family member told me that they always use 3 cups of milk for this recipe. And I know it always comes out really nice because we've been eating it for years at family events. My daughter loves it. She even requested me to make this video. So I want to do it exactly like she ate it before. So it says here to mix the content of the box with 2 cups of milk, but like I said, I'm using 3. Cups of milk. Just mix. So mix for about 2 minutes. I'm using the whisk, but we could also use the hand mixer. I feel that it's getting thick, so it's getting there. Alright, so the pudding is ready. So since we're using 3 cups of milk, the consistency is a little bit more on the runny side, which is really helpful because of the crackers, because we want the crackers to be nice and wet. So now let's whip the cream. Here we go. Wow, good. That's when you know it's good, when it doesn't fall. You flip the bowl and the cream doesn't fall, you see? All right, so now it's time to assemble our dessert. And we're gonna start by mixing the pudding with the cream. See, that's the consistency of the pudding. Not as thick as it would be if it only had like 2 cups of milk, but this way it makes the dessert moist. So we incorporate everything together. So we're going to incorporate everything together, and then we'll start the layers. All right. Wow. Looks like clouds. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting some of the cream at the bottom, just like that. So this dessert is not that sweet, which is fine because it's quite rich because of the cream. And then of course the topping adds to the sweetness. All right, and now we're gonna do layers. Okay, another layer of the crackers. So it's really up to you if you just want 1 layer each time of crackers, or if you want 2 layers. If you like cream a lot, then maybe you just leave it like that with 1 layer of crackers. If you prefer the crackers, then there. Oh, this is a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to make. It feels like you're building something. Those are your bricks. This is your mortar. Working in construction here. We're constructing a beautiful and lovely dessert. So these are salted crackers. If you don't like the salted ones, you can use unsalted, but I think the sweet and the salty kind of goes. Wow. Here we go again. Not only you want it chilled, but we also need to allow some time for the crackers to become soft and moist. I think this is going to be our last layer of crackers now. Since I still have quite a bit of cream, I think I'll just overlap a few here. You know, you play it by ear. I think I need to kind of leave it like this because I still need space for the topping. Now the thing is, we want a smooth top. I think this is it. So it's a perfect dessert to make in the summertime. No bake, no heat in the kitchen. Nicely leveled. And I think now the finishing will just even things out, and that's it. All right, so now the final touch. Now we're just gonna try to even it out. This works. Oh, I'm just trying to cover all the white. It's very thick, so it doesn't spread easily. They send you just enough. This is perfect. And there you have it. Now we're gonna chill it for a couple of hours and then we're going to enjoy it. So our no-bake dessert has been chilling for about 2 hours and we're gonna try it now. It should feel soft. It should feel like cutting a cake. You see the crackers there? Beautiful. Let's try it. So fresh. Very good. Very good. Sweet just enough. Just enough. It's not overly sweet at all. And it's so refreshing. Fantastic, guys. So good. So this is it, guys. A 5-ingredient no-bake dessert that's really fast and fun and fresh. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share it, like it, comment, and please subscribe in order to keep up with more videos. And don't forget to keep up with Linda. Ciao!